Hey everybody, it's that time of year. Ulta Spring Haul event. I got a little something something. So if you want to see what I got in my little haul, then stay tuned. I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? It's Joy. Welcome back to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. To all my joyfuls that are returning, hey y'all, hey. So it's that time of the year, it's sale time. So for the Ulta Spring Haul event, I did a little small re-up on some things, on some items that I will always repurchase and that I needed, and because I was really waiting for the Sephora sale. Shh, don't tell Ulta I'm cheap. No, just kidding. But let's get into my little mini haul. So the first thing I got is the Morphe Baked and setting powder in the brightening pink. This is hot all over everywhere. Um, don't get me wrong, I'm still a honey beige and a banana girl, but this pink powder is doing the thing. I'm wearing it now. I love it. So yeah, and it was going viral, so I had to try it, and I was not finna pay no $68 for no Huda Beauty cherry blossom powder. So this little Morphe powder do the same thing. All right. Okay, the next thing I got, makeup wise, I got some liners from Essence. I got a white liner and I got like a neutral cream color. I think it's actually called champagne. So I got these two eyeliners. Now, skincare side, I had to re-up and I got my Good Molecules. Love it, love it, love it. So I got the Daily Brightening Serum, and I love this. It just keeps your skin all glowy and pretty. And then I also had to re-up and get my super peptides serums. My skincare routine is basically Good Molecules from beginning to end. So I use the rose water cleanser, I use the toner, and then I go in with my serums and I use those two in addition to the niacinamide serum, the daily color correcting serum. Yes, so I use those, and then I go in with the rock filler and treatment, and then my eye cream. Well, my eye cream before the rock, and then I use eye cream, then rock, and then my moisturizer, and then my sunscreen. So that's my skincare routine. I'll do a video on that later on. But yeah, that's all I got in my Ulta spring haul event sale. Like I said, I'm waiting to go shopping at Sephora. I got VIB status, so yeah, I'm waiting for that event so I can go shopping. But don't get me wrong, I love Ulta, but yeah, I just didn't see too many things that I wanted to get this time. So I had to re-up on my Good Molecules because my skincare routine is very, very important to me. And I finally got it to where I like how my skin is clearing up and looking good now. So yeah, I'm sticking with this routine for quite a while now. So yeah, once again, I'm Joy. Hope you liked this video. I know it was a long video, but I hope you liked it. And if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button and subscribe. Like the video. Leave me a comment or two. Share the video. I have a wide variety of content on my channel. If you're looking for inspirational videos, please check out my playlist, Joyful Jubilations, where I give you an encouraging word to help you with your walk in God, because you got to keep God first in everything that you do. And of course, I have makeup videos. I do unboxings and unzippings for Glam Bag, the Icon Box, and BoxyCharm. And then I do makeup reviews from different places as well. And I also have some other lifestyle content on my channel. Once again, I'm Joy. Welcome to the channel. And again, if you're new here, welcome aboard. And to all my joyfuls that are returning, hey y'all, hey. And until the next video, I'll see y'all next time. Bye. And thanks for watching.